So what is this Arctic Watch channel all about? Well, this European winter, they said the Arctic was unseasonably warm and melting away. And I tried to imagine that. And I realised I have no image in my head to reference that against. I don't really understand what the Arctic is. It's not something I watch on the weather news every night on the TV. I'm rather unfamiliar with it. And I found this site here from the Danish Meteorological Institute, which shows you the extent of the ice and the thickness of it. And you can even compare for the years, see what's actually going on up there, or the months, whatever you like. Really good tool for painting a picture, building your knowledge of what the Arctic actually is and what it means. A null score here allows us to look at the temperatures up there at any time of the day. An excellent tool. And 2018 is the year to talk about the weather again. It's cool to talk about the weather in 2018 because there's two climate theories at play. Global cooling is the interesting one because they say it's about to start happening now. We're entering a grand solar minimum and the temperatures on Earth are about to start dropping. So now is the time to keep looking at the Arctic and see what happens, as opposed to the warmest theory, which say, oh no, the temperatures are just going to keep growing, the Arctic is just going to melt away. So that gives us an opportunity to actually test the two hypotheses against each other because it's now, not 100 years into the future or anything. If you said Jesus was going to return in 2020, you'd be testing your hypothesis now. You'd be getting ready. It's the same with climate change. It's not 100 years off into the future anymore. There's a theory that's available that we can have a look at it and test and see who's right or not. I like it when future predictors put it on the line. It allows you to test the theory. So let's see what happens. I'm no climatologist, I'm no professional, I'm not here to sway you one way or the other. I'm just an average guy interested in this and want to start painting a picture of what's actually going on in the Arctic. That's all, nothing too sinister.